Why do you come home tired every day when your English still sounds the same?
I come home tired because the classes feel heavy and I try to understand every lesson carefully.
Why do you look confused whenever I ask you something in English?
I look confused because my mind tries to translate every word into my first language and it slows me down.
Why do you sit quietly in class instead of speaking with your teacher and classmates?
I sit quietly because my confidence shakes whenever I try to build long sentences.
Why do you avoid practicing speaking even at home when you have free time?
I avoid practicing because I feel nervous and scared of making silly mistakes.
Why do you come back from the institute without sharing anything you learned?
I come back silently because I need time to process the lessons before I talk about them.
Why do you spend long hours at the institute yet your speaking has not improved?
I spend long hours because I want to learn properly, but speaking needs more practice than I give.
Why do you keep your books closed after class instead of reviewing them?
I keep them closed because I feel mentally exhausted after long lectures.
Why do you never try to speak with the English-speaking staff members at the Institute?
I avoid them because their fast accent makes me feel lost and unsure.
Why do you still struggle with simple sentences after attending classes for a whole year?
I struggle because I understand grammar, but my tongue does not move fast enough.
Why do you hide your class assignments instead of working on them daily?
I hide them because I feel embarrassed when I cannot complete them correctly.
Why do you copy notes from others instead of writing your own understanding?
I copy because I think their notes look clearer while mine feel messy.
Why do you keep repeating the same mistakes even after your teacher corrects you?
I repeat them because I forget the corrections when I get nervous.
Why do you listen to lessons silently without asking questions?
I remain silent because I fear my questions might sound silly to everyone.
Why do you memorize words but never use them in a real conversation?
I memorize them because it feels safe, but using them in speech feels challenging.
Why do you come home early some days when you should attend every class?
I return early because some days feel overwhelming and I need a break.
Why do you avoid class presentations even though they help with speaking?
I avoid them because standing in front of others makes my hands shake.
Why do you forget simple vocabulary during conversations?
I forget it because my brain freezes when I try to speak quickly.
Why do you hesitate before every sentence?
I hesitate because I think too much about grammar rules instead of speaking naturally.
Why do you look upset whenever I mention your English classes?
I look upset because I feel guilty for not improving the way I expected.
Why do you walk slowly to the institute every morning?
I walk slowly because I feel pressure and worry about speaking tasks.
Why do you never practice reading aloud even though it helps fluency?
I avoid reading aloud because I feel awkward hearing my own mistakes.
Why do you waste time scrolling on your phone when you should practice?
I waste time because I feel tired and look for distractions instead of studying.
Why do you complain about long lessons when you want to improve?
I complain because I find it hard to stay focused for many hours.
Why do you refuse to join the advanced speaking group?
I refuse because I feel I am not ready to compete with fluent students.
Why do you ignore the practice dialogues your teacher gives?
I ignore them because speaking alone makes me feel uncomfortable.
Why do you avoid eye contact when people speak English around you?
I avoid eye contact because I fear someone might ask me a question suddenly.
Why do you take notes slowly during class?
I write slowly because I try to understand every word clearly before writing it down.
Why do you come home hungry because you skip lunch at the institute?
I skip lunch because my nerves keep me from eating on busy class days.
Why do you repeat the same excuses whenever I ask about your progress?
I repeat them because I don't know how to explain my slow improvement.
Why do you spend so much time thinking instead of speaking?
I think too much because I want every sentence to be correct.
Why do you delay your homework until late at night?
I delay it because I feel drained after class and need rest first.
Why do you still rely on translation apps after studying for 1 year?
I rely on them because I feel unsure about my vocabulary.
Why do you look nervous when someone asks you something in English?
I look nervous because I worry about saying something wrong.
Why do you avoid sitting in the front row during class?
I avoid it because I feel too visible and under pressure there.
Why do you not practice with classmates after class ends?
I avoid it because I fear they might judge my slow speaking.
Why do you read quietly instead of practicing pronunciation?
I read quietly because I feel shy about mispronouncing new words.
Why do you forget the lessons from last week?
I forget them because I don't revise daily.
Why do you wake up late and rush to class without preparation?
I rush because I stay up late thinking about assignments.
Why do you never ask your teacher for extra speaking exercises?
I don't ask because I feel my teacher already expects a lot from me.
Why do you avoid watching English videos at home?
I avoid them because fast speech makes me feel lost.
Why do you leave class quickly without talking to anyone?
I leave quickly because I feel overwhelmed and need fresh air.
Why do you look disappointed after every speaking test?
I feel disappointed because my mind blocks during the test.
Why do you avoid joining speaking competitions at the institute?
I avoid them because facing a crowd frightens me.
Why do you not take advantage of the library time?
I don't use it because I feel tired and want to go home.
Why do you always say you will practice tomorrow?
I say that because I hope I will feel more motivated the next day.
Why do you forget the structure of simple sentences?
I forget it because I panic when someone listens to me.
Why do you skip the revision sessions held on weekends?
I skip them because weekends feel like my only rest.
Why do you refuse to record your own voice for practice?
I refuse because hearing my mistakes makes me uncomfortable.
Why do you take so long to answer simple questions?
I take long because I try to organize my thoughts before speaking.
Why do you get frustrated when your teacher asks you to participate?
I get frustrated because I fear saying something incorrect.
Why do you come home with incomplete notes?
I come with incomplete notes because the teacher speaks fast.
Why do you avoid group discussions?
I avoid them because many voices together confuse me.
Why do you close your dictionary app after a few minutes?
I close it because I get bored and distracted.
Why do you not practice speaking in front of the mirror?
I avoid it because I feel silly talking to myself.
Why do you stay quiet in family gatherings when someone speaks English?
I stay quiet because I feel unsure about joining the conversation.
Why do you avoid reading difficult passages?
I avoid them because long texts make me feel overwhelmed.
Why do you forget the meanings of new words?
I forget them because I don't use them daily.
Why do you get scared when your teacher calls your name?
I get scared because I think my answer will not be perfect.
Why do you speak so softly in English?
I speak softly because I fear someone might correct me loudly.